All right, hey folks, this is going to be a quick one. I want to show you something that I'm sure many of you may not know exists in ChatGPT, but this is the ability to create documents in ChatGPT. I personally use this a lot because for the demos I do, I have to create demo artifacts like fictitious documents or content to be able to do those demos for the products we build. All right, without further ado, let me show you how you can do this. So I'm going to show you how to create 4 documents. There might be more documents you can create, but I've only tried these 4. I'll show you how to make a PDF document, a Word document, an Excel document, and a PowerPoint. And it's as simple as just asking for the document. So first, we're asking for a downloadable PDF document for a vehicle sale contract between a buyer and a seller. Let's trigger that. Let's go to the next one. We want a well-formatted Word document on the benefits of sufficient sleep. Let's get that going. The last one is an Excel sheet that helps me track my monthly income and expenses. And the final one is a PowerPoint presentation. Let's get that going. And how does ChatGPT do this? All these documents can be created using Python. So ChatGPT is writing Python to create these documents. And when it's done, most times when it works, you can simply just click the link it provides and it'll automatically download the document. All right, so let's wait for this one. So back in the first one, we can see that ChatGPT has now created the document. And as soon as we click this link, it'll automatically download the document. So here's the document. It's not bad, pretty bare bones. If I wanted, I can just go back in here and say, make the formatting better. And ChatGPT will think through what it thinks the formatting should now look like, and then it'll generate a new one. So let's give it a second. All right. Hopefully this looks better. You never know what you're going to get until you actually open it. Okay. It's a little bit better, but I think ChatGPT can do better. You can do better with the formatting. And how do I know this? Because it's actually created better formatting for a similar document I've created. So let's probe it one more time to do something better. And if not, we'll just move on to the next one. All right, fingers crossed. We click that. Okay, I like this. The formatting is a lot better. It gets to a second page, but this is something you can actually use and give it to, use it for your personal use or whatever use you have for it. But I think this is pretty solid. Let's close these and then let's look at the other ones that should be done. The next one is a Word document on the benefits of sleep. Now we can see this is a Word document completely created by ChatGPT, benefits of sleep, and you can actually start using this document. Pretty well formatted. It even includes a graph, correlation between sleep duration and productivity. Interesting. Okay, I need to be sleeping a bit more. All right. And of course, you can give it the content you want to include in this document. You can give it anything and it will go and create the document. But this is pretty neat. All right, back to the Excel file. ChatGPT is done here as well. Let's click the link to download it. We take into Excel. I'm just going to expand these a little bit just to see. And look at that. ChatGPT has also included the formulas in this Excel sheet. So if we were to change, let's say the income, let's make ourselves rich, 70,000 a month. You see everything changes, even the graph changes. So this is pretty cool. This is an Excel sheet we just made in literally 30 seconds. It has the right formulas and you can use this for whatever use you have for it. And the last one is a PowerPoint document. Let's click this, download it, and see what it looks like. Okay, this isn't terrible. The formatting isn't fantastic, but I'm sure, of course, if we probe ChatGPT a bit more, it will create better content. But that's pretty much it. You saw how we created 4 documents in literally 4 minutes. Go give it a try. Let me know what you make. Let me know how it's working for you. All right, that's it. Peace.